Hi sailor, wherever you are. So for today's video all is about machinery on board. In the maritime industry, auxiliary engines play a vital role in maintaining ships' operations. Let's explore the basics of auxiliary engines and their function. Generator. Function of generator on a ship serve several crucial purposes. Primary functions. Generating electricity. The generator produces electricity to meet the ship's needs through an alternator which powers the main switchboard and distributes electricity to various equipment on board, such as lighting, equipment operation, and powering motors, including pumps, compressor, boiler, purifier, oil water separator, steering gear system, refrigerator for provision, iron saw, all machinery equipment that required electricity to run. Hopefully, this video will be beneficial and become lesson for beginner friends. In the next session, we will explore main engine and auxiliary engine functions. Stay tuned on GI channel for more. Thank you very much.